So, how do you care for your tongue? This is one of the most commonly missed areas by many of the people. And I asked them, and as you most of you guys may readers may know, I come from India, and when I grew up, my parents had like a tongue scraper. So the tongue scraper actually, you can, not to gross you out, you can pull your tongue out, and you can actually clean your tongue using that. And when I ask people, like, have you heard of a tongue scrapers that we commonly dispense in our office here, and they don't even know what a tongue scraper is.
Really?
You can just buy a tongue scraper from Amazon just for a couple of dollars. Go to eBay. You can just buy it for just a couple of dollars. And even if you don't have a tongue scraper, one of the most common and most easy thing that you do is after you brush and floss your teeth, use your toothbrush. Stick your tongue out and then just brush it properly. And that's all you probably need. But if you're a smoker or if you eat a lot of food with a lot of color and spices in them, just the regular tongue brushing may not be enough. So you would probably need to use a tongue scraper. These tongue scrapers mostly like they're made of like a real thin plastic, which is what you need. And I've seen some tongue scrapers made of metal. If you're using something like that, make sure that you're not going to damage by really scraping your tongue. And then one of the things that I do to personally take care of my tongue, I don't use a tongue scraper, but what I do is, and I'm sure you've probably seen me in the bathroom several times during the day, and I brush my teeth pretty much after each snack, after each meal. And I brush like my teeth probably about 6 to 8 times a day. And even if you don't have to spend like the 2 3 minutes every time you brush maybe for about 15 30 seconds after each snack. That's all you probably need. But your regular brushing, the one that you need in the morning and the one before bedtime, do that for about 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe longer if you're using other gadgets. But to going back to the question the reader asked, to brush your the proper care for your tongue is, bottom line is to keep your tongue clean, either using either the basic toothbrush or using what we call it as a tongue scraper.
Little changes can make a big difference.
Absolutely, yes, sir.